If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe now.
Anything possible.
You already know.
You already know.
T&D Eatz.
Let's
go.
Dang. If I had a mansion or a box, if I had a little or a lot, like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch me. Like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch. Like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch. Like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch. Like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch me. Like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch.
What it do, YouTube, and what it is, TD Gang? It's your boy D, and I'm back with a rare cooking video because I have not done one in so long. But today, you guys, I'm cooking oxtails, bro. I have never cooked oxtails in my life. Let me say that. I have watched a couple YouTube videos, and I guess, look, here we go. You're gonna see how they come out today. I'm playing with the water, it seems like. Alright, so I just got some water. Got my oxtail sitting in here. I'm about to put a little bit of vinegar in the water. I'm gonna repeat that step 3 times to get my meat nice and clean, and I'm gonna season them, and then I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator for a little while to go ahead and marinate overnight, and then I'm gonna get back to them. So boom, I'm gonna get back to y'all after I do that process. So I'm basically, you want to put some water inside your bowl with your oxtails in there. Then you want to put a little bit of white vinegar in there just to go ahead and make sure your meat's nice and clean. Then you want to go ahead and play around with the meat. No pause, but you know what I mean. The oxtails, play around with. Then you want to repeat this step 3 times, folks. 3 times, so you make sure your meat is nice and clean. So I'm gonna do this 3 times, and I'm gonna get at you. Now that my oxtails is cleaned off, look at them. They don't look dirty at all. It's from here to here. Alright. Vinegar job is done. Now, let's get the seasonings out. The burn spot, I burnt something a long time ago. It never happened. It never came out back right. So, let's get back on the main topic. I'm not doing a traditional type of oxtail. Let me tell you what I'm not doing like a traditional type of oxtail. I am doing a traditional type of oxtail because I'm cooking oxtail, like, you know, in like a kind of a Jamaican way. See, me today, folks, I'm going to be using a lot of different spices and a lot of different seasonings just because I feel as though you can just interpret and do what you want with this oxtail meal, because you know you just really want your oxtail to come out with a good gravy and tender. If you be able to make your oxtail tender with good gravy. So what I'm about to do is show you what I'm about to season it with. Boom, got a little bit of complete seasoning. Boom, got a little bit of Larry's seasoning salt. Boy, you need this. It's like it got salt in it. You need this, bro. Boom, onion powder. Boom, smoke that butt. Nobody never had this. Smoke that butt rub. It's pretty good. It might gonna give it a kick. Chili, crushed chili flakes, red chili flake. Oh my God, I can't talk. Crushed red peppers. Check. Chop House seasoning. It's one of my favorite one of my good seasonings. You know, just give it a light of flavor. Adobo, whatever you want to call it, need that. Sazon, need that. Chili pepper, need that. Powder, I'm sorry. Chili powder, need that. Okay, now, okay guys, this is a season that I have not yet tasted, so it's kind of weird that I'm putting it inside my oxtails, even though I've never tasted it. But I'm just gonna give it a try. It's great for seafood and poultry and vegetables, beef, whatever it may be. It's an all-purpose seasoning. It has 7-spice blend. Okay, so maximum bold flavor. basically, we see this chef, so we're gonna do that. So right now I'm using his, we also got the all-purpose seasoning for it, just because I wanted to see how the all-purpose seasoning tastes. So we're gonna try it out in the oxtails today. And then we just got regular black pepper. Let's get it. Let's start seasoning this up. Start with the all-purpose. Kick him in there. Start with the all-purpose. Boom. Get the spice kicked off from the jump. A little bit of crushed chili flakes. Yes. A little bit of onion powder. I like onion powder, but you're gonna know why. Okay, put a little bit of chop house in it. A little bit of this chop house in it. Hey, chop house. Smoke that butt. Smoke that butt. I'm gonna put a little bit more in there because I want this thing to be a little. I want these oxtails to have a little heat on them. Have a little heat. Larry's. You can't go wrong without lure. Boom. Put that in there. Then you hit it with the adobo. Okay, bam, 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 bam. And don't worry, folks, I'm not over seasoning because, of course, you know I'm going to mix everything in there so all the goodness can get on all the goodness. Then put this in there. Put a little bit of sazon in there. Put a little bit of sazon in there. Yay. A little bit of sazon in there. Pepper. Pepper, pepper, pepper. And I'm going to try this all-purpose seasoning. I got to open him up, guys, because I told you this is the first time I'm trying it. Give me a second. I'm going to put a little light sprinkle on there. Part, the one I love the most. Garlic. I love garlic, y'all. If you ever see me cook, I cook crazy with garlic. I love garlic. I'm probably going to go a little heavy. Alright, so I'm gonna get these mixed up and everything, and I'm gonna get back to you guys. Put a little bit of soy sauce in it as well. A little bit of soup. Right up. Okay, alright, that's how they gonna be looking all seasoned up. Is it me or they look good? Alrighty, folks. God dang it. God dang it. God tarnations. Alright, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator to chill for a little bit. Probably overnight, and then we're gonna get back to the video probably tomorrow, but it's gonna look like it's seamless to you. Click, click, boom. Okay, and I'm back. Hey, hey. Alright, I'm gonna tell y'all, because I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I only let them marinate for a few hours. They'd probably be way more lit if I do overnight, but I already had kind of had them in there for a little while, so I already procrastinated too much. So I'm going to just get this pan nice and hot. Got the pan over here heating up. About to put the oil on him. About to sear him up. And then I'm doing this totally different from what the person I know who did it. Alright. Basically, I'm going to sear these things up, get them nice and tender and everything. And then I'm going to put them inside of the crock pot. Okay. So let y'all see me sear these things up. I'm unorthodox, bro. I'm just unorthodox, bro. But it comes out like A1, bro. I'm just unorthodox. Like a water evaporating. Cause I washed him off and everything. Alright, looks like all the water is getting out of him. Put my oil in there. Boom. Oil in the pan. Oil him up. Get him oiled. Oil him up, boy. Oil him up. Get him right. Yeah. Well, you can't do like that. You can't do like this. You know they ready. You know they ready to get thrown in that thing. He looking like he getting hot, but it ain't there yet. Hey, let's move this oil around. Yeah, let's make it hot, hot now. Fire, fire, and desire. Get these oxtails And I don't care what y'all say. Yeah, I'm orthodox. I do it crazy. But watch how this plate gonna look, though. Watch how this plate gonna look, though. It's gonna be slap your mama good. But yo, don't slap your mama, bro. That's not good, bro. Don't do that, bro. That's not good. This younger generation, bro. I feel old by saying this younger generation, but man, this younger generation, bro. One-handed bandit. There we go. There we go. One-handed bandit. Oxtails. Look at them. And I be seeing everybody that do their joint, they had a special pot. They don't be doing them in the pan, but I'm about to put them in the crock pot. So, you know, to each his own. I can smell that sazon or sassoon. I'm a goon. Let me stop. Yeah, these bad boys are gonna look good. I'm gonna let them sear up for a little bit, put a little lid on them, and come back to them. Let's see what they looking like. What they looking like. Alright, you guys, I got my crock pot here, and basically, no, the water is not bad. I put a little tiny bit of water. I don't know if you can see. And then just put a little bit of seasoning down there because I'm going to actually preheat my crock pot and just have it sitting over here boiling. So when I put my oxtails in the water, it's already ready to go hot. And yeah, so I'm going to let that do what it do. Oh, you can hear that little bad boy sizzling already. Okay, we're going to let that do what it do. And then I'm going to get back to my oxtails. Oh, gotta be careful before I get my camera up. Wow. You see them. Get back at y'all when they get a little bit more tenderized. Very tenderization denied. Why does my camera look like this? Oh my god. Okay, you guys, it's been cooking for about, I'd say, 5-10 minutes, maybe. You just want to cook it until all the water and moisture is out of it, and then want to put a little bit more in there. So just to get them tender, real tender, before you put them inside the crock pot, or before I put them inside the crock pot. Because who knows who's gonna try this, you know? They're still cooking or wood in here. Once it's really dried out, you see them starting to really cook on their own. You just want to add a little bit of more water in there. You don't really want to add cold water. You really don't want to add cold water because cold water will stop the cooking process, obviously, a little bit. So you want to have the hot water. So I got like a nice good warm water, still hot water inside of there. So I'm gonna just go ahead and basically, use that water. Okay. Put a little bit of moisture in it, a little bit of water in there. And you can see it calmed it down a little bit. It's not rearing to go. So I'm just gonna put the lid back on it, let it do its thing, and get back at you. Okay, we back, y'all. I was doing like YouTube shorts, everything just a minute ago. Like I'm doing everything at once. All right, I'm back to my thing. And yes, because I did that. No, they're not burnt at all. You feel me? That's just all the goodness, caramelization down the bottom of that pan. That's just getting everything good and good and good and good. You know what I'm saying? You can't even see it like that because it's going and going and going. You wipe my camera. Okay. Look at it. Yeah. So yeah, these almost getting as tender as I want them, y'all. So then I can put them inside my crock pot and let the crock pot do the rest. And guess what I'm starting on next? My mac and cheese, bro. But it's the first time me on some honest. I think this is gonna be the first time for me really making mac and cheese from scratch my own way. You know what I'm saying? Like me just doing it my own way. Feel me? Look at these oxtails, yo. Let me know how they look like real rap. Let me know what they looking like on that dawn. Them dawn. They almost in there. They almost in there. You want them nice and tender and nice and good. So when they go in there, they can just get more tender and break down and melt in your mouth action. Melt in your mouth action is what you want. No weird stuff. Got my oxtails in there. I'm gonna let them go ahead and simmer down to some goodness. I'm gonna let y'all see how they come out. It's an easy thing to do. It's not hard at all. Yeah. These oxtails over here still cooking. Look at them. Let me know how y'all think I did on these without even a taste. You know what I'm saying? Just let me know what they're looking like. These oxtails coming out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sheesh, let me break the camera off. Okay. Alright, y'all, this is how the mac and cheese came out. I'll let y'all see when I plate it. Final product, you guys. I'm gonna plate it. I'm gonna make it. It look good. Now there go. Look at it, you guys. It look good. How it come out? I'm gonna plate it, and you're gonna see the rest. It's real hot. This is the finishing product. Oh my God! Look at those oxtails. They look so dang good, bro. Got some broccoli. Got some mac and cheese. I know my plating is not that great. A little sloppy this time, but oh my God, this is the first time I've ever made oxtails. They came out good. I know the video is all over the place, so what I'm going to do is probably do a lot of commentary, let you know how to make them and make them come out look just like this. Oh my God, would you look at this? This looks good. All right, here we go. I'm trying it. Made my oxtails. Got my mac and cheese. Got my broccoli. Here we go. My first time trying my own oxtail that I made. Here we go.
When I used to have my warehouse, she built the door in my warehouse in like 20 minutes. Super fast.
Okay. Oh yeah, they came off that bone. This is seriously Jamaican. Look how they coming off. Look how they breaking off. Let me get a big one. Look how they breaking off. Coming off, just like breaking off in your hand. Alright, let's try this broccoli. Let's try this mac. Banger, 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 banger. Here we go.
C&D Eatz.
Let's
go.
If I had a mansion or a box, if I had a little or a lot, like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch me. Like it, love it.